All right.
There.
Go ahead. Hop in.
Ow.
That's a nice picture.
Drive it in front of the house.
I knew she would go crazy. Daisy's scared to death of tail between her legs.
Stop. Car's coming. Car's coming.
That's all right. She's going. That'll be on the video. Stop. Car's coming. It's a big car.
Yeah, come on back.
Y'all come back.
I'll come back now.
I want it. And you. Oh my God. It's mine. Oh my God.
Why don't you pull in the driveway, man? Why don't you pull in the driveway, Mags?
Okay.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yes.
Why don't you drive me to Sunoco, get some coffee?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
You need shoes on. No bare feet driving. Okay.